All right, childcare biz family. I want to make sure you understand why some of my videos are being sent out through Childcare Biz, but they're directed to our families at Discovery Kids Learning Center. Because some of these are designed so that you could use them for your clientele, for your families as well. Oh, by the way, check this out. Is that not some beautiful country? We are in the Whitewater area of Colorado, Western Slope between Grand Junction and Telluride, Colorado. It is absolutely beautiful up here for a Labor Day weekend. So that's the setting. I just had to show you some of this. That is some beautiful rocks there. And a lot of people, this is really popular for rock climbing here. So anyway, all right. So some of my videos are going to be, the audience is our families, but again, I'm sharing them with you so that you know what I'm up to, so that you hopefully are inspired by some of these things. You'll dig in and go, hey, how can we do that? Check out the treasure chest, because we are continuing those things that are successful for our program. We are creating them also, so those are opportunities for you to share with your families as well. So that is why many of our videos directed to families, I put on CCBC so you can see the type of communication that I'm sending out to ours. So real quick, that's all that is. Let's finish with this. Follow me. Then this is the channel for you. You go. It's pretty cool, huh?